A virtual fix. Today I want to show you step by step how you can install Kali Linux in a VMware machine on Windows 11. Okay, and installing a laptop with 16 GB memory RAM. Okay, let me
My
start it.
channel Virtual Fix. Um, Today I want to show you how to install Kali Linux in the VMware virtual machine in a computer on Windows 11. So first, guys, we need to check something on the laptop or computer that you have available. We need to do a right click on the taskbar and we go to Task Manager. Okay, so then here we go to Performance and we need to check virtualization is enabled. That is important. And to install Kali Linux is only 2 GB needed in the virtual machine, but it's recommendable have a 32 GB. But look, this is my laptop and installing in 16 GB. The idea is that like in computer with low speeds, you can still installing, okay? So after check is a one is available and you have virtualization enabled, the first thing, of course, we need to download the software. So the software we're looking for VMware Workstation Pro. Here you go. So you found in here. That is the last version normally from VMware. So when you hit click here, so you having they say like preparation. That is the last version, but I think that is a ground link. We come back. We're looking for the Fusion and Workstation. The second one. You see that one is different. Okay, so just check it out because sometimes it's looking for the ground one. So you hitting download. We need to register in a website called broadcom.com. Okay, if you don't have any account, you just need to log in to here in this button and then say register. Okay, so we register as a company name. So I have this is my email. So I register. I think it's 0GLZ. Next. So they send me an email. So we're looking for email to check it out. So I have my account here, Gmail. If you want, send me an email. You're happy to. You are welcome. If you have any questions, you can look at me in the comment area and left the comment there. I'm happy to respond all the questions. So we take the verification code, paste it, verify, and continue. So they say asking for a name, for a company name. So we put a virtual. Last name is fixed. We fix everything. Country, we are based in Australia. Password, uh, choose your own one. Asset, create account. Okay, so we can say save it. Here in the bottom, you can click. I will do it later because it's only need this info one time. Okay, close it. And we back to the website we used to be download now. Click here. Now we access directly because you already registered and everything. So login with account. Next. We need doing this step only once, okay? We don't need to do it many times, so don't worry too much about remember these things. So on the left side, you will find my downloads, and then you click here in free software available. Close the cookie, this Windows, and then you look on the right hand, you can look for Workstation, VMware Workstation Pro. Click there. and then we can install the later one, which is Windows. Okay. They ask for filling in some forms for the city, so you need to click in agree terms and conditions. Then back here, click here, and then in the cloud on the right hand. Yes, so yes. They need to fill it in some forms, some information. Just you put it just whatever you want. I put it some address here. I know. City Sydney, state NSW, company virtual fix. Australia, I can modify and submit. No thanks. Okay. Company. Already done. It's just need to wait. Then you're able to download the file here. See, start downloading. So in the meantime, we can start looking for the Kali Linux on internet. So that's working for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and you can practice many things on this version of Kali. At the moment, I don't want to explain too many what is a Kali Linux. Everyone at the moment knows, but in another video, I'm happy to explain some basic tool. So we hit in download, or we can click in the link. Download. And here you go. You say download. So I want to download this one virtual machine straight away. So you don't need to worry about configuration. You just need to be just straight away. Okay. Because we're doing a VMware. So just download this one. Okay. A VMware. Okay. Download. Here you go. It's 3.6 gigabyte. We have VMware machine, so we are ready to start installing. So we look in the folder, download folders, whatever you put it. We have VMware, so double click and we start to installing. So as I said before, and installing in a simple machine is nothing spectacular. It's just a simple machine. Okay. Most of the people have 16 gigabytes, so that's what I want to do the test with you guys, and you see it's possible. Okay, so you just click here and whatever doing. So stay until the end of the video to don't miss any step, and you will be successful to doing the installation, the correct installation and running in a 16 gigabyte laptop. We check the house at 3.2 gigabytes. Still 4 minutes. All depends of your internet connection. Okay. Packages. Uh, we are ready for the future videos, how install VMware. So we left VMware installed in the machine and follow me up, man. So here you go. We can look for the software. So VMware Pro machine, we open it. So here you go. We can create a new virtual machine. Click here. So we have a typical, if you have the package and you don't like to, you like to use the ISO, just that's the way that you need to create it, okay? But in this step, we create and open a virtual machine already, okay? So we need to wait until the software download, okay? So once we have this package, it's 3.6 gigabyte, As I said before, we can install an ISO, but in this case, I installed directly in the VMware machine straight away. So that's, I think, for most people is the easy way, and still functionally don't have any problem, and be 100% everything work for you. Okay, guys, that's at the channel. We testing everything for you, so you just need to go to your computer and be happy. So we have the file here. That's modification. Cal Linux. Okay, let me delete this folder. Don't have twice. Okay, now we need to extract this one, extract all. We put it here in there. So we need to wait a couple minutes to extract. As I say, this is speed is based in a computer for 18 gigabyte. Okay, guys. Hey guys, we already almost finished. Then when we have the package, you see, spend almost 15 gigabyte, all compressed files, all the machines, and that is a VMDK. Okay, this is a VMware machine. So what we need to do, as you see, this is a compressed file. That's the real machine here, and we just need to run VMware and say open a virtual machine. So there start looking for the where we put it. So as you see, I save in here, Kali Linux VMware, and that's the machine. That's the 3K. So when you open it, he automatically will be loading, and depend how much processor you want it. It's 2 gigabytes or anytime. So I will put a power on this virtual machine. As there is another way we can do it, but in this case, I'm using in the easy way. Okay, as you see, that's started. Checking UE and just start like a Kali Linux. Then start to loading the graphics part, the GNU, and soon enough you will be have Kali Linux running in your computer, 16 gigabyte computers, laptop, running well with 2 gigabyte, ready to testing scenes, create your server, testing penetration test. Okay, guys. Um, I hosted this guy step by step work for you, how installing in a virtual machine. Um, yes, guys, we can continue improving every day. Kali Kali, I think is the default password. And we have the home page. We have Kali Linux installed in a 60 giga machine. So we can initially, we recognize um, everything is here. So guys, I hosted this video work for you. Let me post this machine. And see you next time, guys. Bye bye so far.